Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. So question, why am I losing jobs to California Closet or other companies when my price is cheaper, my design is better? And here's the answer. The short answer is your customers don't trust you, or that prospect doesn't trust you. And so the things that I have found that, and it's tough if you're a new company, it's very tough to have credibility because you're new. Hey, I just started 3 months ago. I'm gonna do everything you say you do, and I'm gonna give you a lifetime warranty. You've been at it for 3 months. I don't know, what's that lifetime? The lifetime of your business, the lifetime of the view of your taillights in my window. So there's the most important thing is they have to trust that you are going to do what you say you're going to do, and the design is going to come out like you've promised them. And so you gotta have a good sales plan, and you have to have good sales material and share those things that make you special and unique. Our sales plan, I go up, hey, I've been in business here now in Loomis, but in the Lincoln area for 25 years. I've got thousands of customers. You can see I've got a 4.7 rating on Google, and I'll go over the 5 that bring my rating down with them, or a 5-star review. I've got a beautiful showroom with quality products, and you can come and touch and feel and see the work that we do. I'll take you in the back and walk you through my shop. My vehicles are nice. We drive new model vehicles. They don't leak oil on your driveway. And we are going to do what we say we're going to do, and this job is going to work out great. I've got great pictures that I can show them of the work that we've done, and I can build that confidence with them that we are a solid company. The reason they're going with the other person might not do as good a job of that, but when they've got nice marketing materials and a nationally recognized website, that carries a lot of credibility. So you're fighting that battle. You have to have that. So you have to have, it's not about design and price. And when I've had designers, when I hear that all the time, oh, everybody's shopping around, it's all about price. That's a salesperson issue. That's something that they believe in their head, and they have that in their head that's the problem. I personally, over the years, I figured that there's a 60% close ratio is about what is available out there. A third of the people we're gonna buy no matter what you do. You're just gonna show up, and if you show up and give them a design and a price and it works out, they're gonna buy. It might not have anybody else. It's just kind of one of those things. And then there's a third of the people that when you work with them, no matter what you do, they're not gonna do anything. Whether it's with you or with anybody else, they're probably just not gonna do anything. And then that third in the middle is the ones that you have the effect on. And so those are the ones that you gotta put your effort into it, but you gotta have good marketing materials. Your design presentation has to be well thought out. You wanna show your positive points of differences that you have over other companies. Why it's a benefit to go with you instead of a national company that's been in, that's the inventor of the industry or the closet industry. All of those things, and you have to, it has to be internalized. It can't be canned. And the other thing is you've got to make a great relationship with people, and you have to be able to do it quickly. But you have to find those things that you have in common that get them to like you, make them laugh, those kind of things, and make that connection. Those are the people don't buy from companies, they buy from people that they like. And so you got to make them, you have to make a connection with them, be their friend, that you're going to solve their problem, and it's going to take care of it and make it easy for them. So those are just a few of my thoughts. I hope this helps out anybody in the industry. Put together, make sure you got good solid marketing materials, good solid plan for your sales and design presentations, that you're really, really helping people out and that you have their best interest in things. Hope this helps. Have a good day.